Every tormenting thought, every memory that brings pain, every lie of the enemy, be silenced. I have the mind of Christ. I think clearly. I feel freely. I rest deeply. Lord, I invite your Spirit to dwell in every cell, every organ, every thought, and every breath. Let your blood cleanse what doctors cannot see. Let your word override every diagnosis. Where there has been trauma, I call forth healing. Where there has been delay, I declare acceleration. Where there has been death, I prophesy resurrection. This body is not broken. This body is blessed. This body